So today we are talking about propagation of sound waves. Now what is sound? Sound is produced when a body vibrates. So by an experiment we can prove that also, but now I won't carry on with the experiments, I'll tell the actual thing. So a vibrating body is mainly a source of sound. Now what is sound? Sound is nothing but it is a form of energy. Mechanical energy is needed. We know that there are various forms of energy, and mechanical energy is needed to start a vibration, right, in our body. And the vibration of a body should be transmitted in a medium in the form of waves. So from one point to the other, the energy, the vibrating energy will be moving in the form of waves from one point to the next. These waves, on reaching our ears, produce vibration in our eardrum that is perceived as, and the brain says that this is the sound which we are perceiving. So basically they are mechanical waves. They can be propounded from one portion to the other in the form of vibrations, and the vibrations should be transmitted, and that always should be in a medium. Just say light can travel in the vacuum, sound cannot. It always needs a material medium to propagate. These waves, when they reach our ears, they produce the vibrations and they give us the sensation of sound. Do that. Yes. I gave you the two topics. अरे फालतू कट दे
मैम वीडियोটা চলছিল
उसको अरे हाँ. So we have seen that sound is a form of energy. Now we want to say that sound propagation always needs a material medium, unlike light. Now sound is produced by a vibrating body, we have seen, and it travels from one place to another through the mechanical vibration of the particles of the medium, and that too goes in the form of waves. So a material medium is necessary to propound the sound. This can be done by the bell jar experiment. Now can we see the bell jar? We know that sound travels. So, and this experiment of the bell jar helps us to show that it needs a material medium. Okay? So, we take an electric bell like this. And the bell should be placed in an airtight container, bell jar. Now, the electric bell is suspended, as we see, it is suspended inside the bell jar. Now, the bell jar is connected to a vacuum pump. This one, bottom, the vacuum pump is there. So, as the circuit of electric bell is completed, when we press the key, the circuit is completed, and the hammer touches the gong and it produces the sound. Kring, like those which were available earlier. Now, keeping the key pressed, air is gradually, now if we gradually withdraw the air from the bell jar through the vacuum pump, then what happens? Air is vacuumized. So it is noticed that the loudness of the sound goes on decreasing, and finally the hammer is still striking the gong, but no sound can be heard. This shows that it needs a material medium to propagate. So when the hammer hits the gong, we see that the sound is produced. Why? Due to the vibration of the gong, which travels through the air. The air was present within the bell jar. Now, thus sound is heard by us also. But when air has been removed from the jar, sound due to vibration could not travel to the wall of the container. This clearly shows that sound requires a material medium for its transmission.